Good news for all those who use Meta platforms. Meta has upgraded. They have introduced Meta AI in all their platforms, which include Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. Meanwhile, this is Studio Hub YouTube channel. My name is Kenneth. Please do what to encourage us with your comments, your likes, and most importantly, hit the subscribe button. You can achieve a lot with Meta AI. You can answer difficult questions thrown at you during chats with Meta AI. Just go over to Meta AI and ask Meta AI the same question, and it will provide the answer for you, and you provide it to one who asks you the question. Secondly, you can use Meta AI to generate tests. Every form of test can be generated with Meta AI. Meta AI can as well be used in translating from one language to the other. That is, you can translate from English to French, from French to Spanish, and vice versa, from Spanish to English, and vice versa, and every other language. You can use Meta AI to achieve that. You can as well use Meta AI to generate images. I will show you how I used it in generating stunning images. Meta AI can also be used by programmers to write codes in different programming languages. For those interested in data analysis, Meta AI can be used to analyze data. It can be used to process data and interpret data. Those who do not want to read long text can copy the text and give it to AI and ask AI to summarize that long text, and Meta AI can just do that within a twinkling of an eye. For content creators, you can use Meta AI to generate content such as short stories, articles, and whatever content you want to generate. Meta AI can help you achieve that. You can use Meta AI to power your chatbots. Thus, it can help you to reply to chats even while you are doing something different. I tried using Meta AI to recreate my personal image, but presently that cannot be achieved. So I couldn't recreate my personal image. Presently, Meta AI is totally free, absolutely free. You pay nothing for using Meta AI. Let me show you how to use it on Facebook and on WhatsApp to create tests, stories, and generate images. Let's do that quickly. Use Meta AI on your Facebook. First, head to Google Play Store. If you are an Android user, head to Google Play Store and update your Facebook app. As you can see, my Facebook app is up to date because I recently updated it. So I open my Facebook. The Meta AI is located at the same place where your search button is found. So your search button may be there, or it has been replaced by Meta AI after you have updated your Facebook app. So you tap on the search button, it will open, so you can ask Meta anything at all. Let me ask Meta to write a short story for me. I just asked Meta AI to write a story that will teach young people that smoking is bad. Here is a story that teaches young people that smoking is bad. The story of Tunde and his lost voice. Tunde was a young and vibrant musician who loved singing and playing the guitar. He would often perform at local events and gatherings, and people would marvel at his talent. However, Tunde had a secret habit. He smoked cigarettes. You can see this short story was generated for me by Meta AI. You can generate similar short stories with your Meta AI. Let's ask it to create an image for us. I've just asked it to create an image of footballers in a football field. See the image it has just created for me. This image is very beautiful. You can download the image by tapping the icon where more is written, and you can save the photo. You can use the save photo to create content on your Facebook or any other social media. Let's go to WhatsApp and see how you can use this on your WhatsApp. To use Meta AI on your WhatsApp, still go back to your Google Play Store, then update your WhatsApp. Make sure you update your WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is up to date, so I can go ahead and open WhatsApp. Once I open WhatsApp, my AI is here. I can ask it anything and it will tell me. Let me just ask Meta AI how to produce cake. You see what AI is generating. It has listed the ingredients, the instruction, tips and variations, and here I have how to bake cake. Let me also use it to create an image here. Create a beautiful image of an office. Let me check this and see what AI will generate for me. I can open the image. This office is beautiful. This office is beautiful. I also used it in creating this one. I used it in creating this. I used it in creating this. I also used Meta AI to create this. I used it to create this scary image. I used it to create this beautiful wall. I used it to create this logo. I used it to generate this image. Yes, you can see I've used it multiple times to create beautiful pictures. You can do same.